Alrighty, guys. Welcome, welcome, welcome. We're going to be ripping some tops. Sterling. Break 62-29 top Sterling there. There's your team. There's your list and all your teams you got up over there. Woo! Let's get it, guys. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Alrighty, guys. Alrighty. Good luck to everybody involved in this one. This is a huge opening, guys. This is an absolutely ginormous opening. This one's huge. Good luck to everybody involved. This one is huge, guys. Good luck, Troy. Are you in this one, Troy? I don't think you're in this one, are you? Let's see what we got, guys. Let's see what we got. Whoo! Whoops. All right. Check what we've got. Okay, so we got 2000s MLB All-Stars. And we got 1990s MLB All-Stars. 2000s MLB All-Stars and 1990s MLB All-Stars. Oh, boy. I think we're going to start older first. We're going to go 90s first. We're going to go the 90s first. 90s All-Stars. Who could this be, guys? 90s All-Stars. Griffey? If it was a Griffey, I'd go nuts. Griffey? It could be a Griffey and it could be an Ichiro. I would love to see that. I would love to see Griffey. I'm kind of rooting for a Griffey. Could be a Ripken, too. Could be a Ripken. That would be awesome if it was a Kyle Ripken. MLB All-Stars. Oh, boy. 1990s MLB All-Stars. Alrighty, guys. Alrighty. It's a Brave. It's a Brave. Ralph, you called it. Ralph, you might have called it, dude. It is a Brave. It could be Schmaltz or Maddox, dude. It could be Schmaltz or Maddox. It's a Brave. It's numbered out of 10. What do we got here? Let's just go for it. Bang. It's John Schmaltz. You called it, Ralph. John Schmaltz, numbered 2 of 10. John Schmaltz. 2 of 10. John Schmaltz, number 2 of 10. 3,084 career strikeouts for Mr. Johnny Schmaltz. You called it, Ralph. You called it, buddy. John Schmaltz. That's the first card we're going to open today. First card. Ralph called it, dude. Ralph called it. Skills. Ralph's got the skills to pay the bills. Who's this one going to be, Ralph? Who's this one going to be? This one's 2000s MLB All-Stars. Who's this one going to be? David Ortiz, Big Papi, maybe? Chipper Jones? Who had the team? Braves. Who has the Braves? Neil. Neil, you got the Braves, buddy. That's you. You got the Braves, Neil. That is you. This one could definitely be Ichiro. All right, guys. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. It's another Brave, guys. It's another Brave. It's another Brave. Oh my gosh. Neil. It's a Brave, guys. It's a Brave. I think it could be Chipper. Let's just find out who it is. It is Chipper Jones. It is Chipper Jones. This one's numbered out of 25, number 23 of 25, Chipper Jones. Have yourself an opening already, Neil. Have yourself an opening. Braves box? It might be a Braves box. It might be a Braves box. Could absolutely be the Braves box. Panini packed. Chipper Jones, 23 of 25. 2 of those already. Wow, wow, wow. Next one, guys. All right, all right, all right, all right. Okay, so we got retired numbers. Retired numbers. Facebook comments not showing for some reason. Are they not? Okay, I'll just keep the chat open so I can see the Braves too. I don't know why I couldn't open those or why I couldn't see those. Facebook. Okay, well, I got the chat open now so I can see chat at least now better. Thank you for calling that out too, because I was just retired numbers. And then the other one too is a 2023 rookie. So this could be Adley Rutschman. This could be an Adley Rutschman too. 100% could be Adley Rutschman. 100% could be Adley Rutschman. B. Jackie. So should we do the rookies first? Our retired numbers I feel like could be huge. So we're going to do rookies first because this is going to be somebody we know. We already pulled a Brett Beatty. We already pulled a Nolan Gorman. I believe Riley Green's also in this one. I think the guy to get too though, in this one is going to be Adley Rutschman. I think Adley Rutschman's this guy. Rookies first for sure. I think rookies first for sure. So this could be Adley Rutschman. I think Adley Rutschman's the guy to get, but it could be a Green, could be a lot of different guys. We already got a Gorman. We already got a Beatty. Michael Harris is also in there too. Yep. If it's Michael Harris and it's another Braves card, I will lose it, Ted. I will absolutely lose it. I think I know who this is. It's a Texas Ranger. I believe this is Josh Jung. Rookie, auto, RPO, 16/25, Josh Jung. For your first place, Texas Rangers, he's having a heck of a year. Let's go, Josh Jung. That's a huge card. Josh Jung's a bopper for them. Absolute bopper. Who's got the Rangers? That was a filler spot, I think, wasn't it? Yeah, the Muse, the Muse, that's you, buddy. Josh Jung. Josh Jung. We'll put that one. Move Chipper down. Retired numbers. This could be a Carew. This could straight up be a Rod Carew. We've already pulled 2 Rod Carews. It could be another one. Oh, God. But if it's a Jackie, dude, oh, my gosh. Hank Aaron. I'm holding out hope for a Hank Aaron. I want a Hank Aaron so badly. I want to, Tomei too. Could be a Tomei. I want Hank Aaron. To be fair though, if it's a Braves Hank Aaron though, what if it's a Milwaukee one? What if it's a Milwaukee one? Come on, come out of there. What the heck, dude? This one is jammed in there. This one does not want to come out of the packaging. Jackie cut, dude. I'm mauling this box because it just does not. Oh, it's because I opened it from the wrong side, maybe? Dude, this one doesn't want to be released. That means it's a monster, dude. This one does not want to come out. That means it's a monster. I think it's a duel, guys. I think it's a duel, guys. Oh my gosh, guys. It is going to be a dual autograph, I think. It's upside down. Oh, we saw it already. We saw one of the guys already. Oh gosh, guys. Let's go for it. Let's just go for it. Bang! Cubs card. Ryne Sandberg, Greg Maddux. Dual RPO. Ryne Sandberg, Greg Maddux. Who's got the Cubs? That's a filler spot. Alex, that's you, my man. Alex, that's you. Bang! Bang, bang, bang. Dual RPO. Greg Maddux, Ryan Sandberg. Wow, that's a kill. That's so dope. Maddux but Cubs, Ralph? I was going to say, you did say Maddux. Nice hit, Dez. Let's go. Awesome card there. Awesome duel. That's so sick. That's so sick. Filler killers. Dude, the fillers are having a day. That was a filler box for sure with the Rangers and the Cubs, dude. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Dude, if we would have had to random that off, if that was 2 different teams, I would have lost my marbles if we would have had to random that off. I would have lost my freaking marbles. Let's get to it, guys. Let's get to it. Okay, so we have postseason performers, and we have Hall of Famers. Hall of Famers and postseason performers. Which one should we open first, guys? I'm thinking postseason performers first. I'm thinking postseason performers. You think so, guys? Fair enough, Ralph. Fair enough. Fair enough. I would imagine if I would have had to random that off, I would be like, somebody else do this. We're going to do postseason performers first, though, guys. We're going to do postseason performers first. Yeah, if it's a big card, for sure. Yeah, I get you. Okay, that's fair. That's fair. I was going to say random would be absolutely brutal in this break. Would be absolutely brutal. Oh, my God. Postseason performers, guys. Who's going to be your postseason performer? Who's going to be your postseason performer? I have no idea, to be honest. I have no idea. I think it's a Red Sox, guys. I think it's a Red Sox. I think it's a Red Sox. So who's got the Red Sox? Neil, have yourself a freaking opening, dude, because is this the Red Sox? That's the 3rd card you've got already, man. Oh, boy. It is a thick boy. Look how thick that boy is. It is a thick boy. Let's go for it. Bang! Carlton Fisk, 3 of 5. Carlton Fisk, RPO. Wow. Carlton Fisk, 3 of 5. Have yourself a freaking opening, dude. Neil, my man. This is absolutely your opening, dude. It's Neil's break, and we're just watching it. It's Neil's break, and we're just watching it. That one sucks. Hold up. Yeah, Ichiro Ohtani. Ichiro Ohtani would be so brutal. So brutal. Golly, these ones. I'm going to put one in these. Hold up. We're going to put it in one of these. This is not the right size for that one. Okay. Wow, look at that, guys. Carlton Fisk, 3 of 5. The thick ones are always numbered out of 5, I think. We'll take Josh Jung out of there. We'll put Carlton Fisk up there. Munson and Fisk. Remember that? The rival between Munson and Fisk? Actually, no, we're going to put him over here just because he's kind of too thick to sit on that border. He's kind of too thick to sit on that one, so. Oh, boy. Hank Aaron, please. I want a Hank Aaron so bad. Oh. I would love to have a Hanky Aaron, bro. I'd love to have a Hanky Aaron. Hey. Dude, I just murdered this box, dude. This one doesn't want to come out either. Get out of there. All right, cool. Oh, boy. Oh, boy, oh, boy, oh, boy. This one, Hall of Famers. This one could be a lot of different people. A lot of different people. Who is that peeking out from us? It's a Brave, guys. It's a Brave, guys. It's a freaking Brave. It's a Brave, dude. Half the cards of this break are gonna go to Neil, dude. Neil killed it. Absolutely killed it. Let's just rip it and see what we got here. Bang. Greg Maddux. 6 of 25, dude. Neil, have yourself a freaking opening, dude. Oh my gosh, dude. Neil, my man, dude. Neil. That's the second Maddux we pulled, but he's on a different team this time. So, yeah, Greg Maddux. Dude, Neil, if you're watching this, dude, I'm down. If you want me to open all your cards, Neil, I'm down for that. I'm absolutely down for that. We got one box left of these bad boys, guys. We got one box left. And guess what? We haven't pulled the one-on-one yet either, guys. There should be a one-on-one, I believe, in this. Every case, there should be a one-on-one. We have not pulled the one-on-one yet. We have not pulled it yet. Gotta be one of these. Come on, baby. I would root for Yankees greats for Chad. But let's see what it is. Oh, gosh, dude. No one-on-one yet. 500 home run club and fielding award winners. No icons. No Yankees greats. But let's see what we got, guys. We're going to do fielding award winners first. I think the last time we pulled one of these, it was a dual RPO between Buxton and Mauer, I'm pretty sure. So we'll see what this one is. We'll see what this one is. Bat knob Pujols. Oh, I would kill for one of those. Oh, God, guys. God, guys. It's a bat knob. We're going to do this one second. We're going to do this one second, guys. We're going to do that one second. We're going to do in 500 home run club because that's the 101. We're going to do this one first. Because that's the 101, 100%. Oh, my God. Oh, my gosh. Oh. 500 home run club first. 500 home run club first. Who's 500 home run club? A lot of different people. Maybe Cabrera? Might be Cabrera. Could be a lot of people. Could be a ton of people. Could be a ton of people. Oh, gosh, guys. This is a Tiger. It's a Tiger, so that's another filler spot. Michael. Dude, Michael's gonna get it, dude. Michael, it's a Tiger. It could... Oh, who is it? It's got to be Miggy, right? Who else got 500 home runs for the Tigers? I don't even know. K-Line doesn't, I don't think. Let's just find out who it is. It is a Miggy. Number 20 of 25, Miguel Cabrera. RPO. Miguel Cabrera. Miguel Cabrera. I guess that was pretty obvious when we had Tigers and 500 home run club. Like, who else could it be? Who else could it be, right? Gotta be Miggy. Gotta be a Miggy. Congrats on that one, Michael. Oh, boy. He's so underrated. Absolutely underrated. He's one of like 7 people that has 3,000 hits and 500 home runs. I don't know why people don't talk about him more. He was one of the greatest players of our generation, of my generation. I grew up watching him. Didn't like him that much because he was a Tiger, but you can't help but just like love that guy. Oh my gosh. It is a bad knob. Here's the 101, guys. Oh my gosh. I think that's a Texas Ranger, which would go to another freaking filler spot, guys. I think it's a Ranger. Oh my gosh. I think it's a Ranger. The Muzz might get this one. Who's it going to be? Who are the bat knobs for the Rangers? Oh, Adrian Beltre, 1 of 1 bat knob. Adrian Beltre, let's go! Adrian Beltre, have an opening the filler spots. Oh my gosh. Adrian Beltre, 101 bat knob. Let's go! The Texas, he could have been a lot of people. Adrian Beltre played for the Dodgers. He played for a ton of people. The Mariners. Oh my goodness gracious. Bang! 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 Holy moly, guys. That's the only Texas knob? I guess fair enough. I didn't know which one Texas knob. Congratulations, my man. Congratulations. Woo! We're gonna do a kind of a review here of all these just phenomenal cards. These just, oh my gosh. Just absolutely killer cards. Congratulations to all the hitters. We got a Miguel Cabrera, 20 of 25 RPO. We got a Chipper Jones, numbered 23 of 25 RPO. We've got a Greg Maddux, 6 of 25 RPO. We've got a John Schmaltz, 2 of 10 RPO. We've got Josh Jung, rookie RPO, 16 of 25 on that one. We've got Carlton Fisk, 3 of 5. Oh my gosh. And then we got Ryan Sandberg, Greg Maddux, dual RPO for the Cubs. And your hit of the day, guys. Your hit of the day. Wow. Adrian Beltre, 1 of 1 bat knob. Adrian Beltre. This is the second one of these I've pulled. Wow. Holy moly. This one doesn't have a date on it like the Acuna one did. It says 1550-29-34-30, I think. And it just has some inscribe on there too. It says 155B36602 is what it says on it. Wow. What a killer bat knob, guys. Oh my gosh. I'm going to die when I'm 40. All right, guys, that's going to be it for that. Thank you so much for letting me open your cards, guys. I really appreciate it. Top Sterling is always such a fun rip, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in.